Hi, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals Weekly Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. Tonight, I'm going to be sharing my wonderful easy recipe for stuffed manicotti shells. These pasta shells are so delicious with a wonderful filling. It is super easy and super delicious. It only takes minutes to put this recipe together. I'll have it listed below so that you can easily find it and put this together yourself. This collaboration is out every Sunday evening. We have new recipes weekly and they're always super easy and delicious. The other channels will be listed below so that you can go and check them out for cooking and recipe inspiration. I am so glad you are here. I hope you put this recipe together yourself and realize how wonderful it is. It's perfect for a group of people, or you can cut the recipe down and make it for a smaller dinner. It also freezes really well and reheats so easily. Don't forget to check out the other channels listed below and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next week.